Excuse me, is this the bus stop for the number 25 bus?
Yes, it is. The number 25 goes to the city centre.
Oh, perfect. Do you know when the next one comes?
Let me check. According to the timetable, it should be here in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's not bad. Does it stop near the shopping mall?
Yes, it does. The mall is actually the second stop after the main square.
Great. I need to buy a few things there.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I'm here on holiday. I arrived yesterday.
Nice. How do you like it so far?
It's lovely. The old town is beautiful, and people are very friendly.
I'm glad to hear that. Have you tried any local food yet?
Not yet. Do you have any recommendations?
You should try the local soup. It's called Zurich. It's really good.
Sounds interesting. I'll look for it.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Oh, great. Do I need to buy a ticket before I get on?
You can buy it from the driver, but it's cheaper if you buy it at the ticket machine over there.
Oh, I see. Thank you for telling me. I'll get one right now.
No problem. Hurry up, the bus is stopping.
Got it. Thanks again for your help. Bye.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.